Today we're going to be in Port St. Lucie checking out a model in a brand new community that's offering huge incentives on new construction homes that are move-in, ready to go in an upscale active adult community. Getting in early on a new development like this gives you the opportunity to save tens of thousands of dollars with lower pricing, lower interest rates, and lower closing costs. So if you're looking to buy a home here, whether full-time or just for season at first, and want to get a great deal and save some money, my name is Raphael Gonzalez. I am an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida, and I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So the home we're coming up to now is actually one of their first completed inventory homes for sale of their Taylor floor plan, which offers 2,048 square feet under air, and this home is built as a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 3-car garage tandem home with a separate home office and cathedral ceilings. Their homes are always about maximizing storage space and having big wide open spaces. And what I really like about this builder and how they operate is that they always have homes under construction that are available without the weight of a traditional build. And they are professionally designed and loaded with more upgrades than a normal quick move-in home. They are able to do this by offering 3 different looks: contemporary or loft, farmhouse, and classic. And within each of these looks, they curate the entire home with their designers to embrace the style. And where you'll see this the most is in the kitchen. Each of these styles have their own custom gourmet kitchen that comes included with double ovens, a gas range, built-in microwave, and a contemporary ventilation hood. They also designed these homes with white or gray and blue or white oak colored 42-inch soft close shaker style cabinets. And some homes they have available even have feature walls or beams like what you'll see in a model home. Now, of course, you can still build any of their homes and choose everything you want from start to finish. That will take about 8 months, and you even have the option to build your very own private pool in your backyard, with pricing for those ranging from $80,000 to $120,000. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. And as I mentioned earlier on, getting in early on a new development like this gives you the opportunity to save tens of thousands of dollars with lower pricing, lower interest rates, and lower closing costs. For homes like this one, I've been able to help my clients maximize their incentives and get the best deal possible on a brand new home. So if you are interested in this home or something similar to this here in Port St. Lucie and want to find out about all of the new homes and incentives they have available, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.